All right, to write an equation for this problem, the first thing I'm going to do is find the unit rate, and I know we do that by finding y over x. And I know my unit rate is going to be $2.45 for 5 postcards. So $2.45 for 5 postcards. Now, I'm going to make this more meaningful. You don't have to, but I am. And I know that the $2.45, I'm going to call that D for dollars. And I'm going to say the 5 are cards for postcards. And you don't have to do that if this doesn't make sense, but I'm going to use those because it's more meaningful. And now I'm going to just divide $2.45 by 5, and I get R equals 49 hundredths. So now I'm going to plug that into my equation, and I know the general equation is y equals Rx, or y equals 49 hundredths x. But I'm going to use these variables instead. So instead of y, I'm going to use d. And instead of x, I'm going to use c. And now I'm going to decide whether I'm finding my dollars or my cards. And I know it's asking me how much I would pay for 13 cards. So I don't know my dollars, but I do know that I'm going to buy 13 postcards. So I'm just going to plug in 13 for c. I'm going to do that math. And D equals 6 37 hundredths. And this is where it's helpful because I know that D is dollars, so that must be my label. So I would pay $6.37 to buy 13 postcards.